Okay, so far we have come to this extent where we have our website running, but then it still looks like another person's website. But you can see your own URL there. Mine is learnwebdesign.apz.com, and yours could be any other thing you named it. You can see it's actually on your address. Like if you send this to anybody now or open this in any other browser, if you want to see how this will appear for somebody who is not on the website itself, is not an admin, like somebody else who's not you, you can simply go here and log out, and you will see how the page appears for any other person. Or you can simply copy this link and open a new incognito window, new private window, as some other browsers we call it. You paste your link or go to your website, and you'll be able to see how the site will appear to any other person. So let's see how this site will appear on a mobile. Remember, Ctrl+Shift+I. As you can see, this is how this site is going to appear for somebody who is visiting on a phone. Okay, so you can of course click here and check how it will appear for somebody visiting on a different device like Pixel 2, Pixel X, or even iPad Pro. Okay, so it is mobile responsive, it is a responsive website. This video is going to talk about how you can change the logo and also the icon of your site. Now, if you look at here, we have Mark and Ben Podcast's logo, which of course does not belong to us. And here, when you look at the browser, on these various tabs, you can use this logo or icon that is at the tabs to identify which website you are on at any particular given time. So it is an identity for our site. So we are going to edit the site identity of this site now to change the logo and also change the site icons. If I'm on a different tab, I can easily switch, and I know that, okay, I'm going to Learn Web Design's website. For now, it just has WordPress default icon, web icon, which is the same thing as any other like starter template or your dashboard. So you cannot use this. It's not advisable to use this. When you are logged into your WordPress account and you are on your website, from the very home page, you just come over here, click on Customize. You allow it to load up fully. It divides the screen into two now. One smaller part where you're customizing your website, from the options for you to customize your website, and then the right part, which is the bigger part, which is of course your website as it is, just reduced a little bit. Okay, so now how do you now change that site header? Come down over to Header Builder and click on it. When you click on Header Builder, you're going to see, as I said earlier, try and read whatever comes up so that you understand better what you're doing. So it says the header on this page is set from transparent header. Please click the link below to customize transparent header. I will explain in a bit what that means, but for now, we want to change that site icon. So you come here, you see site identity and logo, all right? Site identity and logo. So I'm just going to click on that. Now let's go down and you're going to see site icon. Okay, so it said site icons are what you see in the browser tabs, bookmark bar, and within the WordPress mobile apps. Upload one here. So you are going to upload yours, and it has to be an image, at least 512 by 512 pixels. You don't have to be totally sure about the dimensions, because the image you're bringing in will be cropped by WordPress. There will be an option for you to crop the image, but make sure the image is not too large. Any image that is within the range of 500 kilobytes to 100 kilobytes will be all right for this. So I just want you to click on select site icon, and then you can see it says the maximum upload file size is 10 megabytes. You can check the media library where you have images that are on this site already. So if you had other images or you had already uploaded any image on this website before now, you will see those images here. These images are already images that are existing on the site as we imported it. So let's just click on upload file. When I click on select file, I already have created a logo and I've created a site icon. Okay, so this is a site icon I created. So now I'll click on this. So I'm just going to add an alt text here which says, I'm just going to put alt text that says learn web development without coding site icon. Crop this image so I can, drag this in and out. So if the image was bigger, let's say it was rectangular, I'll be able to crop the side I want to use as my site icon. So once I'm done with here, I feel happy with what is here. I think the image is already on a good size already, so I'm just going to click crop image. If you come over to my site now, you can see it here that instead of WordPress icon, I now have my own site icon. That site icon is also called favicon or favicon on some other parlance of web design. And you can see here now I have my own customized favicon that when somebody is browsing through, they can easily identify my own tab where my own site is opened. And now you can see that we can also click here to change the image, or you can remove that. So once you're done, you click on publish. That is how you can do that cool thing you see on every other website. All right.